Hi, this is Yoe from CrankWheel, and this is a brief demo of how you get started with CrankWheel as a corporate user when your IT administrator emails a group of people to get started. You should receive an email from your IT administrator that looks something like this. It might be titled, "Please sign up for CrankWheel." It would include a link just like this email, and it would ask you to sign up using your work email address. Here we're using acmecorp.com as an example. Let's click the link. The CrankWheel sign-up process asks you for your email address, which we type in. You would type your address here and then press Continue. The system now tells you it's sent a magic link to your email address. Let's check if we've received that new email and open it. There it is. In this email, there's an orange button that says Continue Sign Up. Let's click that to continue with the sign-up process. The CrankWheel sign-up now asks you for your name. Let's enter that. Submit that, and the next step is to choose your password for CrankWheel. You will also need to remember this password in just a little bit, so choose carefully. Here you can also choose whether you would like to receive occasional educational and product update email about the CrankWheel service. Let's submit our chosen password. The last step of the sign-up process is to get CrankWheel installed in your browser. If you're using the Google Chrome browser on a computer with a keyboard, this is as simple as clicking this button. If you're using a different browser or a smart device, then you will be sent an email with instructions on how to complete the setup process. Let's click to install. Then click Add to Chrome and confirm. You'll see a page that thanks you for installing and points you to the CrankWheel button that has been added to your browser. Anytime you want to use CrankWheel, you press this button, and that opens up the CrankWheel control panel. The first time you open it up, you need to log in using the same information that you just gave. That is, your work email and the password you chose for CrankWheel. Click Log In, and now you're using CrankWheel. There are a few options you may want to adjust right after you get set up for CrankWheel. Click the Options button to start the process. First of all, you may wish to upload your picture and set your title or tagline. Let's start by clicking the Edit button to upload our picture. We select a picture, and it gets uploaded. Next, let's set our tagline. We can use this either for a formal title or for a message that gets shown to our customers, such as "I'm happy to help" or "excited to talk to you." Let's use that and submit. Finally, if the CrankWheel control panel isn't showing up in your preferred language, you can select your preference from this drop-down menu and click Save. The next time you open up CrankWheel, it'll be in your preferred language. In a separate video, we'll go through how to start your first screen sharing session and how to get your customer connected. That's it for this brief demo of how to get signed up as a corporate user of CrankWheel. Thank you.